Today I'm gonna show you how to make ringtone without using any app from App Store or GarageBand. Here is the first step. You need to download any song, video song to your photo here. Yes, right here. So the easy way is to get a song from TikTok. Any song you like, just download it. Now I click in and then I go find the song. I have my own song already. Here I click here and download. As you see here, the song is downloading. Now it's finished. Let's go to see in the photo. Where is the song here? You see? And how to make it is here. From here we just click share sheet and we try to use the menu here to convert the ringtone, and I show you how. Now the first step is go to shortcuts and then click here and then just click on plus sign to get a new shortcuts. We have to rename it. Rename anything. Now I rename Ringtone Maker. Ringtone Maker. Yes, it's already it. And search the action is encoder. Here, encoder media. With encoder media, we have to go to audio only. We have to turn this on. And then another action is here, right here. Click on I. We have to turn this on, show on share sheet, turn this off, and click OK. And you will see here is the tip is right here. The important step is here. Click on that and clear this, and then just turn this on and turn this on only. And another final step is click on search action and type save file. Yes, you see here it's already done. Now we go to photo to find the song we want to show, to make a ringtone. Just right here, and then you see Ringtone Maker here, and then you have to find a place you want to locate the song. Here, everywhere. You can use this folder I created already, and then click open, and then your song just converted. Go to the place that you just dropped. Here you will see a ringtone. Yeah, now let's play it. And then go back. It's better to rename it first, like rain drop. Yes. After you rename it, and then hold your finger on that and it's pop out like this, and then click share, and you will see use as ringtone here. It's too large. Maybe we have to cut it. So how to cut it? We have to go back to the photo first. No. Here is how to cut it to 30 minutes only. Yeah. Done. Click done. Save the video. And then once again, do the same thing. And click open to save. And go to file. On my old phone, a ringtone now, you see. And rename the file just created. Raindrop ringtone. Here is that one. You just hold and then click share and use as ringtone. Here's how to do that. How to make ringtone without using GarageBand or any apps to install on your phone. Thanks for enjoy your video.